Ever look at your bank account, see you're making more money, but feel like you're getting poorer? You're not crazy, you're just in a race. Your goal is to fill this bucket faster than it leaks. In the next 3 minutes, we'll explain what this leak is, why it's gotten bigger, and how it affects your wallet. This is common sense. Okay, let's break this down. This bucket represents your personal economy. The water inside isn't just water, it's your purchasing power. It's all the stuff you can actually buy. The water you pour in from the hose, that's your income, your salary, your side hustle, any money coming in. And that frustrating little leak at the bottom, that is inflation. So why does this leak sometimes feel like a trickle and other times a flood? There are two main reasons. First, too many people get thirsty. Imagine everyone suddenly wants to drink from the same bucket at the same time. This is called demand pull inflation. It happens when there's a lot of money circulating in the economy and everyone is eager to spend it on a limited supply of goods and services. Think about the rush for concert tickets, the bidding wars for houses, or the latest must-have smartphone. When more people with more money are chasing the same amount of stuff, producers can charge higher prices because they know someone will pay. Each straw sucking water out of the bucket represents that high demand, effectively making the leak bigger and lowering the water level for everyone. The second reason the leak gets bigger is that the bucket itself gets weaker. This is called cost-push inflation. It's not about how many people want to buy something, but about how much it costs to make that thing in the first place. When the prices of essential raw materials, like oil for transport, or the cost of labor go up, it becomes more expensive for companies to produce goods. To protect their own profits, businesses pass those higher costs on to you, the consumer, in the form of higher prices. It's like the bucket itself is becoming more fragile and cracked, letting water escape faster. Your money isn't buying less because everyone wants the same things. It's buying less because the things themselves simply cost more to create. Now, for the most important part, the race between your income and the leak. In a healthy economy, your income grows faster than inflation. Even with a small leak, your buying power increases. You feel richer. But when inflation gets high, the leak outpaces your income. Even if you get a raise, your bucket is draining faster than you can fill it. This is why you feel like you're falling behind. So while inflation is complex, the feeling is simple. It's the race to fill your bucket before it drains. Understanding the leak is the first step to winning. If this finally made sense, hit that subscribe button. Here at Common Sense, we make economics easy.